Within this reference work lie the keys to a universe bound only by the limits of human creativity and imagination. It contains everything necessary to create adventures and sophisticated campaigns that blur the fine line between simulation and reality.
Inferior. They're inferior. Using my terminal velocity. Dropping these flows, keeping it sacred. Bring the lyrical monstrosity so massive, and it's like tragic. When I use my flow similar to magic, it's a habit. I don't waste time with the bass line.
Inferior. I start to slay cats off the top of my dome. When I roam these thoughts like the catacombs, and now yo, my poems start to dismantle, disassemble. And yo, it's so simple when I drop flows, just like inferior.
I'm like demented sickness, that's what I infect you with.
I'm like demented sickness, that's what I infect you with. And yo, my style so sick it's incestuous. Using my terminal velocity, it's a monstrosity, which is me, and I turn into something to grotesque to your viewing pleasure. And yo, I drop every measure off the top of my dome using my cerebral lobes, and I'm in your brain cells like some pearls from the doctor. And yo, chiropractor, when I stop the lyrical track, yo, I chop the heads off with shoulders, even though I'm getting kinda vulgar. And yo, I swoop down like a vulture, cause torture. Who don't wanna see my flow? And that's what I do when I just bring the lyrical monstrosity so massive, and it's like tragic. When I use my flow similar to magic, it's a habit. That's when I rip, hey yo, it's like something inferior. I start to slay cats. Demented sickness, that's what I infect you with. Hey yo, my style so sick it's incestuous. Bring the lyrical monstrosity so massive, and it's like tragic. When I use my flow similar to magic. They're inferior. Inferior. They're inferior. Inferior. They're inferior. These flows, keeping it sacred. Dropping these flows, keeping it sacred.
incestuous. I don't waste time with the baseline. Inferior, 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 inferior.